Assalamu alaikum dear learners. What going on? This is Muhammad Redwan Hussain, your online math instructor. Our today's topic is chapter 1.5 multiplication and division of fraction. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay. Our first topic is multiplication of fractions by integer. So, we should remember this formula. The formula is fraction multiplied by integer equals to the numerator of the fraction multiplied by integer divided by the denominator of the fraction. For example, 5 by 13 multiplied by 3. So you know here 5 is numerator of fraction, 13 is the denominator of fraction, and 3 is the integer. So, according to these rules, the numerator of the fraction into integer, that means 5 into 3. So, 5 into 3 divided by 13. So, we know that 5 3s are what? 5 3s are 15 divided by 13. So this is the answer. 15 divided by 13. Okay. Next one. Our next topic is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Okay. We should remember this one. Can you read aloud? Yes. The product of the two fractions equal the product of the numerators of the two fractions divided by the product of the denominators of the two fractions. For example, 2 of 3 by 7 multiplied by 3 of 2 by 5. You know, there's two mixed fractions, right? So, first of all, we should expressing in improper fraction, right? So, expressing improper fraction, 7 into 2, 7 to 0, 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, 17 divided by 7, multiplied by 3 into 5, 3 5 0, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 by 5. So, 17 by 7 multiplied by 17 by 7. And according to these rules, the product of the two numerators of the two fractions. So, the numerators are 17 into 17. So, 17 into 17 divided by the product of denominators of the two fractions. So, the two denominators are 7 into 5. So, 7, 5. So, we know 17 into 17 is 289 divided by 7 5 is 35. So, you know, when denominator is smaller than numerator, this is improper fraction. And we can easily make it mixed fraction. So, if we make it mixed fraction, we get 8 of 9 by 35. Okay. The next. Division of fractions. Very interesting topic. For example, 3 by 5 divided by 4. You know, 3 is numerator, 5 is denominator, and 4 is integer. So, 3 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 4. You know, 1 by 4 is reciprocal of 4. So, we have to change the sign. Then, we have to make the reciprocal of second fractions. So, 3 by 5 multiplied by the reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. So, 3 by 5 into 1 by 4. Then, we know the rules. 3 into 1, 3. 5 4s are 20. So, 3 by 20. The next one. Divide a fraction by another fraction. Okay, for example, 3 of 5 by 12 divided by 2 of 3 by 8. You know, first of all, we have to expressing improper fraction. So, 3 of 5 by 12 means 41 by 12 divided by 2 of 3 by 8. That means 19 by 8. Now, write the first fraction. 41 divided by 12, then change the sign. So multiplication sign, then reciprocal of second fraction. 19 divided by 8, the reciprocal of 19 divided by 8 is 8 divided by 19. Right, then we know the rules. It will 82 by 57 after reduce the value. Then 82 by 57 is improper fraction, so we have to make it mixed fraction. So if we make it into a mixed fraction, we get 1 of 25 by 57. It was very easy. And our next topic, HCF of fractions. HCF of fraction, we have to remember these rules. The HCF of the given fractions is the HCF of the numerators of the given fractions and divided by the LCM of the denominators of the given fractions. So, it was your homework, 8, 12 2 by 5, 8 by 10. Find out the HCF of the given fractions. Okay, just remember these rules. And what will the LCM of fractions? Same as HCF, but reciprocal of HCF. So, the LCM of the given fractions is the LCM of the numerators of the given fractions divided by the HCF of the denominators of the given fractions. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video, inshallah.